The Hut Junction business listings are aesthetic, functional, efficient, and arranged in an uncluttered interface. Browse the image gallery in a slider with an optional lightbox display. Images can be added, removed, and ordered easily. The profile section can display formatted text content with HTML tags. Configure and display business hours for each day of the week. Videos can go a long way in sharing information. You can share videos about your business activities, achievements, ongoing projects, etc. to create greater impact in your business promotions. With Hut Junction, you can display single videos as well as playlists. With playlists, videos can be managed at the source, and the changes are immediately reflected in your listing page. Powered by GeoDirectory, Hut Junction listings are seamlessly integrated with mapping functions like route mapping and navigation options. Starting with the very basic mapping operations like pan and zoom, it also allows full screen operation. Particularly helpful for those who use devices with small screen size. Looking at the popularity of Google Maps, Hut Junction maintains an integration with the routing and navigation modules of the popular app for those who are familiar with the Google Map experience. With GeoDirectory, Hut Junction also provides its own integral routing and navigational features, which are available on the map interface itself. Current locations can be selected by searching for embedded geocoded locations in the OpenStreet database. Location points are generated on the fly and inserted in the map interface. Automatically, the shortest route from the point to the business location is calculated and displayed. Another feature extended by the GeoDirectory integration allows dragging the location pointer over the map interface, while updated routes and navigation details are dynamically generated on the fly and displayed on the map. This is an excellent live feature for correction of the current location pin, because not all geocoded locations always match your choice of the exact location. The Contact and Follow tab displays all contact information and links to social pages, neatly arranged in a single location. Hut Junction allows users to store and display links to some of the most popular social media platforms. Visitors can send emails, make calls, and contact via WhatsApp messages directly from the interface. With a number of page sharing options through social media and essential platforms, as well as a robust and secured user review and rating option, Hut Junction is almost your complete business promotion platform. With a paid vendor subscription, you can create products and write blogs at Hut Junction. You can then selectively display products and blogs in your business listing page. With blogs, you can present detailed information about your business with text, media, images, etc. Similarly, with product displays, you can introduce and promote products to your customers. Posting blogs and products and displaying them in your business profile is a great way to engage your customers.